Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two sacs with one fetus with pregnancy of about 9 weeks. You can see the gestation sac, the uterus having a gestation sac, two gestational sacs. These are the two gestation sacs, and this is the intertwin membrane that separates the two gestational sacs. So the one gestation sac has echo-mecho-normal fetus having blood flow, cardiac activity, and the other sac is empty, that is blighted ovum or anembryonic pregnancy. So one gestation sac has blighted ovum or anembryonic pregnancy, the other gestation sac has normal fetus. A blighted ovum is a fertilized egg that implants itself in the uterus but doesn't become an embryo. The placenta and embryonic sac form but remains empty. There is no growing baby. It is also known as anembryonic gestation or embryonic pregnancy. It is the leading cause of early pregnancy failure or miscarriages. Often it occurs so early that the woman may not know that she is pregnant. The intertwin membranes, as you can see in this case, is clearly visible, refers to the membranous separation between two fetuses in a twin pregnancy depending on the chorionicity and amnionicity. The membranes may have a number of layers: di-chorionic, di-amniotic, that is DCDA pregnancy, composed of two chorions and two amniotic layers. Now you can see the echo-mecho-normal fetus having fetal cardiac activity. And embryonic pregnancy, there is no embryo developing baby because a blighted ovum still makes hormones. It can show up to as a positive pregnancy test. A blighted ovum will cause a miscarriage usually at 7 to 12 weeks of pregnancy. You can see the fetal cardiac activity. A pregnancy is anembryonic if a transvaginal ultrasound reveals sac with the mean gestational sac diameter, that is MGD, greater than 25 millimeter and no yolk sac, or an MGD more than 25 millimeter with no embryo. Now you can see the blood flow in the fetus. You can see the blood flow. The duration of the pregnancy measures about 9 weeks in this case. The gestation sac is the large cavity of fluid surrounding the embryo during early embryogenesis. It consists of extraembryonic column, also called the chorionic cavity. The gestation sac is normally contained within the uterus. One of the more common types of miscarriages known as anembryonic pregnancy with empty gestation sac. In a blighted ovum, the gestation or embryo sac forms and grows. However, the embryo doesn't develop. A blighted ovum is also known as anembryonic pregnancy. In the United Kingdom, miscarriages is the loss of an intrauterine gestational sac diameter MGD greater than 25 millimeter and no yolk sac. The fetal pole is usually identified at 6.5 weeks with transabdominal ultrasound imaging and at 6 weeks with transvaginal ultrasound imaging, although it may not be seen until 9 weeks in some cases. When the fetal pole measures 7 millimeter or more, a fetal heartbeat should be detected. The yolk sac is a membrane sac attached to the embryo formed by cells of the hypoblast adjacent to the embryonic disc. This is alternatively called the umbilical vesicle by the terminology. Though yolk sac is far more widely used in humans, yolk sac is important in early embryonic blood supply. So when in a follow-up ultrasound, there is still no sign of fetal pole, which appears as a white rim around a clear center and will eventually contains amniotic fluid and enclosed developing baby. It means miscarriage has occurred. The fetal pole is a thickening on the margin of the yolk sac of a fetus during pregnancy. It is usually identified at 6 weeks with vaginal ultrasound and at 6.5 weeks with abdominal ultrasound. However, it is quite normal for the fetal pole to be not seen visible until about 9 weeks. So again, you can see the blood flow in the fetus. In one gestation sac, the other gestation sac is empty, is devoid of any fetal pole in it. So it is the anembryonic pregnancy or blighted ovum. The other fetus is echomechonormal with blood flow and fetal cardiac activity seen in its interior. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.